Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going over how to install plugins. And this is going to be a quick video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm on my website, but you can do this for any website for Final Cut Pro. You're just going to add to the cart. And once you have everything that you want in your cart, go to checkout. Put your email. Fill out this stuff. Address. And then you're going to purchase it. Now after that, you want to open your email and go to where the plugin was sent. And just click on this link right here. Gonna save it. Open it up. Now once you find this right here, which is the plugin folder, you are going to go in your Finder. This is for Mac. Go in your Finder and you are going to type in .localized. And you're going to look for the motion templates folder. And it's going to look like this, motion template.localized. Once you find this, you're going to go back to the archive or whatever plugin you downloaded. You're going to press this forward button to go back to what you searched and just go down to motion localized. And you're going to go in the folder. And depending on if it's an effect or a transition, you're just going to drop it according to what it is. So I got the quad split plugin, so that's an effect. So I'm just going to drop that in the effects folder. And when I do that, it should be done. So I'm just going to open up Final Cut Pro. I'm going to go to my effects tab. And here it is. I downloaded this a couple of times. That's why you see it like 3 times in here, or you see it 4 times, but I did this multiple times just to show people how to do it. So yeah, but that's the overall way on how to install plugins in Final Cut Pro. And like I said, again, if you have a transition, you can drop the transition plugin in the transition folders. And if you need effects, you can drop those in the effects folders. All right, I appreciate you guys for your time, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you next time. Thank you.